A clean car always feels newer, quieter, and far more comfortable to drive, but keeping interiors spotless becomes difficult once dust, crumbs, pet hair, and sand start collecting in every corner. Regular home vacuums rarely reach tight spaces properly, which is why dedicated car vacuums have become essential for everyday drivers and detailing enthusiasts alike. Some focus on compact portability, while others deliver serious wet and dry cleaning power. These are the top 5 car vacuums ranked by suction strength, usability, durability, and real-world cleaning performance in 2026. Number 1. Black + Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean. The Black + Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean continues to be one of the most trusted handheld vacuums because it combines cordless convenience with surprisingly strong everyday cleaning power. The compact body fits naturally in one hand, making it easy to maneuver between seats, cup holders, floor mats, and tight dashboard corners where larger vacuums usually struggle. Its lightweight design also helps during longer cleaning sessions without causing hand fatigue. One of the standout features is the rotating slim nozzle. Instead of constantly repositioning the vacuum awkwardly, the nozzle adjusts easily to reach narrow spaces around pedals, seat rails, and door pockets. The included crevice tool adds even more flexibility for deep interior cleaning, especially in areas where crumbs and dust usually collect unnoticed over time. Suction performance remains consistent for small debris, dirt, pet hair, and everyday interior messes. Battery convenience is another major strength. The cordless charging dock keeps the vacuum ready without taking up much garage or storage space. The dirt bowl empties quickly with minimal mess, and the washable filter helps reduce long-term maintenance costs. Build quality also feels durable enough for regular use without the lightweight plastic feeling fragile. For drivers wanting a dependable cordless vacuum that balances portability, usability, and solid suction for routine car maintenance, the Dustbuster Advanced Clean remains one of the safest and most practical choices available today. Number 2. Fantic Slim V8 Apex Vacuum. The Fantic Slim V8 Apex feels designed specifically for modern drivers who want strong cleaning power packed into an extremely compact form. At first glance, it looks more like a premium tech gadget than a traditional handheld vacuum, but its 19,000 PA suction performance quickly proves it is far more than just a stylish accessory. Despite the slim body, it handles dust, crumbs, pet hair, and fine debris surprisingly well inside vehicles. One of the most impressive aspects is the 4-in-1 multifunction design. Beyond vacuuming, it can also function as an air duster for keyboards, vents, and sensitive electronics, making it useful both inside cars and around office spaces. The dual suction modes allow users to balance battery life and cleaning intensity depending on the mess. For light dashboard dusting, Eco Mode works efficiently, while the higher mode tackles heavier dirt more aggressively. The Type-C charging system is another strong modern advantage. Instead of relying on outdated charging ports, the vacuum recharges quickly using widely available USB-C cables. The lightweight construction also makes storage incredibly easy inside glove compartments or center consoles without taking up unnecessary room. Its premium finish, compact portability, and surprisingly powerful suction make the Fantic V8 Apex especially appealing for drivers wanting a sleek everyday cleaner that feels modern, practical, and genuinely capable during quick interior cleanups. Number 3. ThisWorks Portable Car Vacuum. The ThisWorks Portable Car Vacuum focuses heavily on practicality for drivers who want reliable cleaning power without worrying about battery limitations. Unlike cordless handheld units, this vacuum connects directly to a vehicle's 12V outlet using a long 16-foot power cord, allowing continuous operation during full interior cleaning sessions. That extra runtime becomes especially useful when dealing with heavily used family cars or messy road trip interiors. The suction power performs well for everyday detailing tasks including dirt, crumbs, sand, and pet hair trapped inside carpets and seats. The included attachment kit expands its versatility significantly. The flathead nozzle reaches narrow gaps, while the brush attachment helps loosen stubborn debris from upholstery and textured surfaces. Its compact shape also helps maneuver around center consoles and beneath seats more easily than bulkier shop vacuums. Another practical advantage is portability. Everything fits neatly inside the included carrying bag, making storage simple inside trunks or garages. The transparent dirt container allows quick monitoring during cleaning, while the washable filter helps maintain suction efficiency over time without constant replacement expenses. Build quality feels decent for the price category, especially considering the vacuum's purpose as a convenient grab-and-go detailing tool. For drivers wanting unlimited runtime, flexible attachments, and reliable car-focused usability without depending on battery charging, the ThisWorks vacuum remains one of the most practical interior cleaning solutions available. Number 4. Armor All AA255 Wet Dry Vacuum. The Armor All AA255 takes a completely different approach compared to compact handheld vacuums because it delivers true shop vac style cleaning power for serious detailing work. With a 2.5-gallon tank and 2-peak horsepower motor, this wet-dry vacuum handles far more demanding cleaning jobs, including mud, liquid spills, sand, pet hair, and larger debris that smaller handheld units often struggle to remove effectively. Its wheeled canister design improves mobility around garages and driveways, while the long hose helps reach deep into larger SUVs, trucks, and third-row seating areas. The vacuum transitions easily between dry vacuuming and wet cleanup tasks, which becomes extremely useful during rainy seasons or after outdoor trips where muddy shoes and spilled drinks leave interiors messy. The blower function also adds versatility for clearing leaves and debris from garages or driveways. Durability feels excellent throughout the unit. The thick hose, strong motor housing, and solid accessory attachments give the impression of equipment built for repeated heavy-duty use rather than occasional, quick cleanups. Storage organization is also well designed, with onboard accessory holders helping keep attachments secure and easy to access during detailing sessions. Although larger than portable handheld options, the AA255 delivers significantly stronger cleaning capability. For drivers wanting professional-level suction and wet-dry versatility for deep vehicle detailing, this vacuum provides serious performance that goes well beyond basic maintenance cleaning. Number 5. Kikik Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Kikik cordless handheld vacuum stands out by offering a strong balance between portability, suction strength, and affordability. Its 15,000-pound motor provides enough power to handle daily interior messes, including dust, crumbs, hair, and small debris, without requiring a bulky machine. The lightweight cordless design makes it especially convenient for fast cleanups before work, after family trips, or during weekend maintenance routines. The multi-nozzle attachment system adds flexibility during cleaning. Different nozzles help target air vents, seat gaps, floor mats, and delicate surfaces more effectively depending on the situation. The washable filter system also improves long-term usability by reducing replacement costs while maintaining airflow performance after repeated use. For pet owners, the vacuum performs surprisingly well on loose fur trapped inside fabric seats and carpets. Battery performance feels respectable for its compact size. It provides enough runtime for full interior cleaning sessions in most standard vehicles before needing a recharge. The ergonomic handle also improves comfort during longer use periods, preventing the awkward grip fatigue common with cheaper handheld vacuums. Another strong point is storage convenience. The compact body fits easily into trunks, cabinets, or garage shelves without taking much space. For drivers wanting an affordable cordless vacuum with strong suction, useful attachments, and everyday practicality, the Kikik delivers dependable cleaning performance while remaining easy to carry and simple to maintain. A quality car vacuum makes regular cleaning faster, easier, and far more effective than relying on oversized household equipment. Some drivers need compact, cordless convenience for quick daily cleanups, while others want heavy-duty wet and dry power for deep interior detailing. These top 5 car vacuums for 2026 each solve the problem differently, offering strong cleaning performance across everything from compact commuters to large family SUVs and work trucks.